Hi friends, welcome to Sam Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss about rainy season vocabulary. So around 25 vocabulary, new advanced words we are going to learn here. Before that, please subscribe our Sam Academy. Give your comment. If you like the video, click the thumbs up button. So the rainy season means in India we can call it monsoon season also. That means severe rainfall. The rainy word also called as precipitation. Precipitation means the different form of rain. Okay, here we are going to discuss the connective words which relates to rain. First, sky. Sky you know very well, that is sky. And clouds. Clouds means here a different kind of clouds is there. First, here sometimes dark clouds will be there and clear clouds also will be there. Only dark clouds will give more rainfall. Overcast. Overcast means fully covered dark clouds that gives you rain. That means the clouds look like giving more rainfall. Weather forecast. Weather forecast, that means what temperature, what pressure, what type of whether you receive rainfall or not, that you are going to listen in news also. That is weather forecast. Drizzling. Drizzling means light rainfall. So initially, some small droplets only you can receive. So that means light rainfall only. Splashing. Splashing means when you hit the rainwater, it will be broken and jump it. That's all. So when the rainwater will hit or strike anything, it will look like different beautiful droplets. That is splashing. Shower. Shower means obviously heavy rainfall. Downpour. Downpour means like outbreaking. That means severe, abundance rainfall, maximum rainfall. Thunderstorm. Thunderstorm means, storm means wind or cyclone. Thunder means that is that long, deep, resonant sound you can hear. So usually during the rainy season, you can hear that thunderstorm, heavy wind breeze you can feel. Lightning. Lightning means flashing lights on the sky. Usually, thunderstorm and lightning will be come together. Torrential rain. Torrential means severe. So, you can use torrential rain also to mention the severe rainfall. Hailstone. Hailstone means that is a small white color pebbles or balls like snow covered rainfall will fall down. So that you can see. So small ice, that is hailstone. Mist or fog. You can use mist or else fog. You can see it during after the rainy season. So early morning when you go fully covered small layer, so it will be hide everything and invisible, you can't see the opposite thing. So especially in the hilly region in Uti, Kodaikanal, like that, you can find this kind of mist fog. Raining cats and dogs. It's usually one of the phrase which we use to mention severe rainfall. So when severe thunderstorm, lightning, and more than 250 centimeter rainfall, when it receives, you can call it raining cats and dogs. Then waterlogging. Usually waterlogging we used to call for the water will be stored or stay in one place. After the rain, when you go to outside, you can find more water store or stay in some places around near to bridges or any holes, pits. So like that, where there is a down, there is full water will be stored and stayed there. So that is waterlogging. Stagnant water. Usually, stagnant means calm. It is not moving. Okay, so it is immovable. Stay in a same place. For example, you can say in a small pit or pond or lake, the water will be stagnant. It is not moving. It is not running. That is stagnant water. Floods. You know very well, it is the consequences and effects of severe rainfall. Usually in Assam region and Odisha region, usually the floods will be occur frequently because severe rain and overwhelming of the river causes floods. So the water will be enter into houses, buildings, wade in water. So, wade in water means it is the word which used to walk through water. Usually, we cross the water, we cross the river, or we will walk in rainwater. That is called as wade in water. The word is a very good term. We can use it. Only we can walk in water. Marshy and swampy. This marshy and swampy means completely the water and soil just mixed together and become like clay. So when you just put your legs, it will be slipped out. So usually that is in the mangrove forest. You hear that name mangrove forest. That means the river water and ocean water were joined together. There you can find that kind of forest. Usually they completely marshy and swampy region. That means completely clay, silt, mud, entirely covered with water. It is very difficult to walk also. Damp. Damp means slightly wet. For example, when you just walk into rainfall, you just poured into rain. You did not completely wet. You slightly become wet, not completely wet. That means you can call it as damp. Little bit only you become wet. But drenched means completely wet, entirely you just fully covered and just you soaked into that water. That is known as drenched. I fully merged into the water. That means into the rainfall. That is drenched. Soaked means similar meaning. So for example, when we are soaking the clothes into the water, completely it become wet, no? So similarly, when you go into the rain, when you completely comes under the rainfall, you completely become wet. That is drenched or soaked. Puddle. What is puddle? That means after the rainfall, when you go outside, when you look around that your places, you can find small pits, small holes. It just filled with rainwater. It's not lake, it's not ponds, it's a small pit, temporary pit. So it completely or that a small crater filled with water, that is known as puddle. Yes, dear friends. So in this video, I hope you learned a lot. So keep on watching. Happy learning. So upcoming video, I'll upload more which is helpful to you. Subscribe at Sam Academy. Give me your comments. Stay connected. Take care. God bless you all. All glory to God.